think as we wait for more people, more doctors, more clinicians from Hyderabad to join, I think it's for all of us who have been here on schedule, with your permission, I think we will begin our event. Welcome to all of you. Welcome to students, young medical professionals who have joined this wonderful journey of serving humanity. Respected senior colleagues and doctors who have influenced practice not only in Hyderabad, the erstwhile Andhra Pradesh in India. Welcome doctor. Welcome to my learned speakers, and most importantly, the budding young practicing physicians of tomorrow. This is indeed a historic moment for our company. As you know, as many of you know, my father founded Cadila Pharmaceuticals just after the independence. A time when, as you saw in the clip, medicines were not made in India. We were just getting out as a population, as a country, trying to understand the various diversities, the various kingdoms, erstwhile kingdoms were coming in. It was in these challenging times that Cadila Pharmaceuticals was founded by someone who's as young as people in the audience. He just passed his graduate school and decided that instead of going and serving, he would rather put use of what he had learned in college and make medicines. The reason I bring this out is I see a lot of young emerging doctors from Hyderabad this evening, and I think for them it should be, the story of my father should be a very inspiring one, because not only did he start this company, which now, as you all know, is one of the largest privately held pharmaceutical companies. All of us at Cadila Pharmaceuticals, 7,000-8,000 plus colleagues of mine, work day and night with a simple mission. A mission to produce the highest quality medicine for people around the world. So a lot of thought goes into our discovery, a lot of thought goes into our design, a lot of thought goes into our manufacturing practices. Tremendous critical analysis and continuous training enables our various manufacturing facilities in India and abroad to produce the highest quality medicine. But not only do we produce the highest quality medicine, we also produce it very affordably. And I know most of you in this audience have been using, trusting the brand Cadila Pharmaceuticals medicines. And I'm sure you also know that compared to most of the competition, we provide a very affordable price. Now this is not an accident. Providing the highest quality medicine of international standards. In fact, one of our facilities is approved by the US FDA. Another facility is approved by the European Union. The other facility is approved by EMEA. But the same facility also produces product for the Indian market. So it is a lot of effort, a lot of engineering, a lot of technology, a lot of practice, and on top of that, a very simple, homely way environment. I know many of you in this audience, when it comes to living yourself, working at home, living in your apartment, living in your home, we all live simple lives. Because we know that we all have hard-earned money, we value the hard work that we do, we are honest to ourselves, and therefore we use the resources very thriftily. Cadila is a family company. Its genes are from somebody who just after graduate school and with less than 1,000 rupees and a very loyal employee, his wife, my mother. So my mother was the first employee of Cadila Pharmaceuticals. And I tell you this story because I see a lot of young people. So that hard work over the last 70 years, 60 plus years has made Cadila to be such a large company. It was not only that we make affordable medicines, but long time ago, as you saw in the clip, my father and I decided that let us go on an adventure of innovation. When we started this, we did not honestly, and I'll admit to you, we honestly did not realize what we were getting into. There were so many failures. There were times when and they never went to him, but I thought, what did I get into? Because research, and then especially in medical sciences, and especially to bring something new to the world, I think all of you know, is not trivial. It is very unfortunate, and I use the word unfortunate, it's very unfortunate that in our country, there are not many companies who innovate yet. We are very fortunate at Cadila Pharmaceuticals because after this long journey of 15 years, hard work, a lot of patience, we committed a lot of resources, there were a lot of failures, there were lots of times when we thought we should just shut this down and focus on copying and making generic medicines, which we do very well, of course, as you know. We didn't give up. The inspiration, the guiding force, my father, was there always, giving us hope, giving us the support, and giving us the assurance based on karma, saying that all of you are working very hard, all of you are very honest, I'm sure you will succeed. So I think we not only are persistent, hardworking, and did what we did patiently over years, but we were blessed. And I think Cadila Pharmaceuticals is very blessed because we are the only company who can come and talk in front of you and tell that we have 3 first time in the world from India, sold in India, and now sold in a few other countries around the world. Our innovations in cardiovascular diseases, Polycap, I know you, among the cardiologists among you, I know they trust it, I know you will use it, and I'm looking forward to listening to some of our colleagues and share, as I listen to their experiences this evening. A second innovation in the area of restricted disease in terms of alleviating pain and suffering to people who have challenges with taking current medicine. Risolid, which is bio-enhanced rifampicin, which enables almost every patient to tolerate rifampicin, get healed, be more compliant, and hopefully not lead him and his family and his friends into the deadly areas of MDR, XDR, XXDR, and so on. So we'll hear about that. That's something we did in a public-private partnership. Another story. My father was a firm believer, and so am I, a firm believer in public-private partnership. We believe in India, we believe in Indian science, we believe in all of you. We believe in the Indian science as a family. And so, long time ago, we collaborated with the Regional Research Laboratory, and now it's a new name, but a part of a CSIR, the Council of Council of Science and Industrial Research, the largest employer of scientists in our country, the CSIR laboratory system, a Government of India initiative. And we partnered with a regional research laboratory in northern India in Jammu, which had been working on the ancient principles of Ayurveda and identified a naturally occurring substance called piperine, and had properties of enhancing bioavailability of drugs. Just imagine, that's the information we had. But it was Shri Modi and Cadila which said, which molecule do we select? What disease do we select? In the early 70s and 80s, as you know, tuberculosis was a dreaded disease. It still is, but it was a very dreaded disease. Cadila always provided thought of people on the ground, and there was very less supply, availability of tuberculosis medicines even then, for lots of reasons. We'll hear that. So we decided, let's work on rifampicin, let's work on tuberculosis, because we realized that there were lots of patients who could not comply to take rifampicin because of the deleterious effects and the problems which you bring many patients, significant number of patients. You'll be surprised when statistics come out. Unfortunately, in India, we have to learn how to bring all these statistics out. But as we go around the country, we realize a significant population of patients really have pain taking normal 450 or higher doses of rifampicin. So we worked on rifampicin. We were lucky again. Same story. We worked hard. There were always a lot of combinations. Drug discovery in India was not there, so we were reading, learning, inviting people around the world who had done some wonderful things at Cadila campuses, and that's when it resorted to it. And then very recently we brought in MyCDXC, our innovation in extending the life of patients suffering from non-small cell lung cancer. So it's unfortunate that there are not other success stories in India like the Cadila pharmaceutical story. And I wish, we wish, that there are more stories like this going forward. So what the company, based on our success, based on our commitment for India, based on our commitment to bring in more, not only affordable generics, but new medicines, we said we'll create a platform. A platform where people can come, share their experiences. And I hope, as this annual event gets momentum, so as we speak today, as I speak today, such conferences are being held in 9 different cities in India. I chose to come to Hyderabad. There are 8 other locations in various parts of India where these similar conferences are being held. So in November, every November, the 2nd and 3rd weekend of November, we will create, sponsor IMICON. And I hope in years to come, it's just the beginning. Last year was our first experiment. We believe this is wonderful for India. We believe this is good for Cadila. We believe it's good for all of us. So we provide this platform, and so it is an annual event. I hope we spread the word. I hope we have some more companies coming on this platform and coming and sharing about innovations. But we at Cadila are committed to bringing new things that we do and share with you. So trust this wonderful company of yours. Cadila Pharmaceuticals is an Indian company. It's your company. It's your company which is dedicated and gives India, Indians and all of us pride, because in the scientific world there is tremendous recognition for a medical company, for a pharmaceutical company which not only makes medicines affordably of the right quality, but makes something new. So Cadila's pharmaceuticals reputation is globally improving in the scientific community and with regulators. I am so happy to be here. I thank you for your trust in Cadila products. I would love that when our colleagues come and talk about their products, you encourage them. Because each soldier of Cadila, each field officer of Cadila, each ABM of Cadila is our ambassador. We would like you to give them the love and respect that they deserve, because they represent a great company of yours from India, Cadila Pharmaceuticals, which has sponsored IMICON. I know many of you in this audience realize and will be feeling challenged. And I wish that some of you someday at our Hyderabad IMICON conference, say 2024, would come and say, hey, I did this, and we would be love to provide you with this platform to share your success. So I'm very happy to be here. I know we have lots of speakers. I know we're running behind schedule. And I know some of the seats are empty, but many of us are here. So without much other comments, I once again, from deep from my heart, welcome you. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very interested and eager to listen to the various talks that are scheduled by the Cadila Pharmaceuticals, the able professional team of the company who has flown in here to make this event very successful. So welcome and thank you for coming.